Hello, welcome. I'm Chef David. Today we are going to cook the old cucumber soup. We're going to boil a liter of water here. Right, we have just put it into a boil earlier on and it's ready to eat. Okay, so we're going to throw in the corn, carrot, cucumber, mushroom, and the dates. We're just going to stir it. Cover, lower the heat to low heat. So now we let it simmer for half an hour to 45 minutes. The soup is ready to drink. Hi everyone, the old cucumber soup is ready. Just open and let you see. Okay. So right now we're going to plate the old cucumber soup in this bowl here. We're going to garnish it with cilantro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is your old cucumber soup. Try it at home, leave a comment below, do subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll be back with more vegetarian recipe real soon. See you.